This is not just a factory. This is where the modern world begins. Every single second, massive machines here are reshaping raw stone into civilization. This place is so big, it looks like an entire city built for one purpose. Inside, temperatures reach 1,450 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to melt steel. If anything goes wrong here, millions of dollars disappear instantly. This factory never sleeps. It never slows down. Humans look microscopic compared to the machines that run this place. And everything you're about to see exists for one thing only: cement. It all starts with limestone blasted straight out of the earth. These machines move rocks bigger than cars like they're nothing. Each truck unloads tons of raw stone in seconds. Crushers smash solid rock with brutal force. The ground shakes as stone is torn apart non-stop. Conveyors stretch for kilometers, feeding the factory endlessly. Sensors scan every piece: size, chemistry, moisture. Limestone, clay, and additives are stored like massive puzzle pieces. Automated stackers layer materials with perfect precision. By night, the raw materials yard never stops glowing. Next, everything enters the raw mill, the factory's first giant grinder. Stone is crushed into powder finer than beach sand. This powder is called raw meal, and chemistry controls everything. Massive fans push air through the system at insane speeds. Computers constantly adjust ratios to the decimal. One wrong mixture, and the cement will completely fail.
We need to stabilize the input flow immediately.
Blending silos mix thousands of tons into a perfect formula. The raw meal flows like liquid through steel pipes. Ahead stands the towering preheater system. This is where extreme heat begins to take over. Raw meal spins violently inside the preheater cyclones. Heat strips away moisture before the real fire begins. Then everything drops into the heart of the factory. This rotating kiln is longer than a football field. Inside, flames roar non-stop. Temperatures climb to 1,450 degrees Celsius. At this heat, raw material chemically transforms. This is where clinker is born. The kiln glows like flowing lava in the dark. Engineers monitor every second from the control room.
Adjusting the fuel flow rate now. It's stabilizing.
If the kiln fails, the entire factory stops. Red-hot clinker exits the kiln like molten rock. Each glowing piece holds extreme heat. This is one of the hottest industrial processes on Earth. The clinker now crashes into massive cooling systems. Powerful fans blast air at insane force. In seconds, glowing red turns into dark gray. Conveyors carry cooled clinker deeper into the factory. The cooling hall feels like controlled chaos. Mechanical systems guide every movement precisely. Dust extraction keeps the air breathable. Tons of clinker move non-stop into storage. These silos hold the factory's hardened core. Even at night, this process never pauses. Now the clinker enters the final grinding stage. Steel balls crush it into ultra-fine cement powder. Gypsum is added to control how cement hardens. This powder is finer than flour. Pipes move cement like flowing smoke. Laser sensors check fineness constantly. Separators spin at extreme speeds. Computers fine-tune everything in real time.
Within the acceptable parameters.
Yes, the calibration was successful. We can begin the batch run now.
Finished cement flows into massive silos. This is the final product the world depends on. Automated machines fill cement bags at insane speed. Every bag weighs exactly the same. Robots stack thousands of bags perfectly. No human hands touch the product. Bulk cement loads directly into tanker trucks. Trucks line up non-stop day and night. Each one carries the foundation of future cities. And once they leave, cement spreads everywhere. This cement becomes roads, bridges, and skyscrapers. Entire cities depend on what's made here.
Highways built from this cement.
Civilization itself is built on this material. All of it starts inside this factory. This isn't just cement. This is how the modern world is built.